curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever felt the ground rumble? Today, we're going on an adventure to explore one of Earth's most powerful secrets: volcanoes. Deep inside our planet, it's super hot. There's a thick, gooey, fiery layer called the mantle, where rocks are so hot they've melted into a thick, flowing paste. When these super hot, melted rocks gather in underground pockets, we call that magma. It's the secret, fiery recipe for a volcano. All that heat and melted rock create huge pressure. It's like a giant underground pressure cooker with lots of gases trapped inside. This super hot magma looks for any weak spots or cracks in Earth's hard outer shell, called the crust, to escape. When magma starts moving up towards the surface through a main pipe, we call that a vent, or a magma conduit. It's the volcano's highway. Each time magma breaks through, it cools and hardens, slowly building up Earth's fiery mountains, the volcanoes. At the very top of a volcano is its mouth, called the crater. This is usually where the big show happens. As more magma rises and more gases get trapped, the pressure inside the volcano builds and builds. It's like shaking a soda bottle really, really hard. When the pressure gets too much, the volcano bursts. This is an eruption, where ash, gases, and glowing hot lava explode out. That super hot, melted rock that flows outside the volcano is called lava. It can melt almost anything in its path. But it's not just lava. Volcanoes also blast out huge clouds of ash and different gases like sulfur dioxide, SO2, that can darken the sky. After an eruption, the lava cools and turns into new rock, changing the land forever. But volcanic ash can also make the soil super rich for growing plants. Most volcanoes aren't random. Many are found in special places like the Pacific Ring of Fire, which circles the Pacific Ocean. California, for example, is close to this zone. So volcanoes are more than just destructive. They're Earth's way of releasing its inner heat and reshaping our world. They are a powerful reminder of our living planet. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.